In the heart of this field, the earth itself was crying out. For generations, farmers here battled a silent, invincible enemy, soil so acidic and depleted. It could no longer give life. The groundnut, a crop of hope and sustenance, was failing. This wasn't just a poor harvest, it was a cycle of poverty, etched into the very land they loved. These are the faces behind the struggle. Hard-working families, born to the land, watching their efforts turn to dust. Their dreams for their children's future were parched as the soil beneath their feet. They had the will, the dedication, but they needed a way to break the cycle. And then the miracle of life returned. With the transformation, where there was dust, now there is vibrant green. The soil, once hard and cracked, now teems with moisture and fertility. See the speed of growth, the strength in every leaf, the promise in every pot. This is the power of a simple solution applied with scientific precision. This is Resilient Redefined. Then a new chapter began, the Soil Profit Granite Project by the Soil Solution, with support from G20 and Baby Financial. They arrived not with a handout, but with a handout. The diagnosis was clear: soil acidity. The cure was powerful, yet elegantly simple: agricultural line. This precise intervention didn't just add a nutrient, it rebalanced the very foundation of the soil. It was the key that unlocked potential, turning trapped nutrient into fuel for growth. But the truest measure of success is not in the plants, but in the people. It's in the smiles that have returned, the hope that now blooms alongside with crops. The success of this harvest means more than food. It means dignity, opportunity, and a future filled with possibilities. The story doesn't end here. The soil has been healed. The crop is flourishing. The final crucial step remains. These farmers now need our support to bring this life-changing harvest home. They need help with the tool, the labor, and the resources to turn this green promise into lasting prosperity. This is where their journey and your mission intersect. This is where you can make a tangible, lasting difference.
Well, yoo xam ne ni mën nañ ñu ko indil so su ko defee nga gis ne suñu liggéey dana mën a dem kanam. Also comme ni nga wax noonu suñu mënee utal itam maquette comme boo xam ne ni international boo xam ne dinañ ko mën coopérative bi dañ ma yóbbu seen gerte yi foofu loolu tam yooyu lañ soxla incha allah.
gis ne tamit beneen ndimbal bu mun a am si ñoom dinañu mun a yëg ba boole si ba du ñu mun a fàtte soo waxee ne ko loolu dafa gaa ñu tamit bés bu ñu te gis ya dinañ ko créer waaye na xam ne mu ñëw mu ñàkk a ñëw bokk na si boot
gerte la ñoo wax te ñun fii ñi béy fii nii yëpp am nga ngeen xamal ko ne su tawutoon ak soil profit ñu bëri duñ béy gerte réew because with their intervention moo tax ñu bëri ñu mun a am jiw bi sax pour mun koo ji mun a béy mun naa ne 90% bi yëpp so kon definitely dimbal ñun soxla nañ ko trop et maa ngi ñu ko pousse loolu woon ko ne soil profit di nekkoon seen intention mooy ne sax ñun not after ñu fay jiw bi o line bi o oyster bi waaye daf doon nekk free of charge but because of yeneen problème ñaata muta di Gambia moo tax sax dañ ko mun a dem pour def arrangement ak banque yi.
boo jëlee indi rek 15 nga def ko sa gerte dafay naat maa ëpp dina ñëw mun naa lëndëm waaye suuf ba du mën a meññ. moo ñëw boobu moo soo léegi mu ne suuf bii la tax.
Aaj.
naat waaye du mën a meññ. gerte.
Join us, partner with the Soil Solution, invest in soil, empower a community, be part of a story that turns barren land into bounty. Because a fertile future is a future that feeds all of us.